welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to unbox the Cricut Explore 3. I'm going to show you how to set it up and make your first cut to make a quick and easy DIY project. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Let's unbox and then craft. I want to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. This Explore 3 as of December 2023 is at $249, the machine only. But Cricut has so many great bundles with essential tools. Here are some. These bundle deals will save you some money. The first thing you are going to see when opening the box is the welcome pack. This has the supplies to make your first cut and the warranty. Underneath that pack, you're going to find this sample sheet of smart materials. It includes smart removable vinyl, smart cardstock, one smart iron sheet, and one transfer sheet. Underneath the machine, you're going to find the power adapter and the USB cord. Look how pretty this is. I love this color. Mint green is the only color the Explore 3 comes in. You honestly don't need to be an advanced crafter to set this up because it comes with the instruction. It is very easy. You can use it with a mobile phone or your computer. For today, I will be showing you how to do it on the mobile phone. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is connect the cable to the machine. It has a little place in the back where you can connect it. Once it's connected, we are going to connect this to the power outlet. Now that this is connected, I am going to open it first. On this other side, it has a power button, the loading button, and the cut and pause. This also comes with a built-in storage. This machine cuts over 100 materials, including cardstock, vinyl, HTV, poster board, and more. This is the USB cable that you can connect to your cutting machine, to your computer. I will not be using this because I am going to use my mobile device to use the Cricut Design Space. The first thing you want to do on your mobile device is download the Cricut Design Space. So you're going to go to your app store, look for Cricut Design Space, download it. Now here is where you're going to click Machine Setup. I already have an ID, but if you don't, here is where you can create one. After you sign in, this is what's going to pop up. These are all the machines that Cricut owns. We are going to set up the Cricut Explore 3, so that is what I'm going to press. Since I'm using the mobile device, I am going to connect it via Bluetooth. So I went to my Bluetooth and pair the device. Once it is paired, it is going to automatically activate it. And now it's ready to cut. So now we are going to test it out. But before that, I do want to mention about Cricut Design Space. It is very easy to use. It is free, but if you want more access to a lot more designs, it is $9.99 a month. With that, you will get over 600,000 cut ready images, 700 plus professional fonts, 1,000 customizable projects, 10% off Cricut.com, and property member care. So now we are going to test the machine to make sure it is working perfectly. This is the image we are going to cut. Now to get started, we're going to select next, and then you gotta prepare the machine and make sure that it's clear 10 inches of space behind. Once you're done doing that, you are going to confirm the fine point blade that is loaded and secure into the clamp piece. Using both hands, we're going to insert the smart vinyl sheet that came with the machine inside the large envelope. Once the vinyl is inserted, we are going to press the upload button. The next step is to press the blinking button, which is the play button or the cut. The Explorer 3 is so much faster than the Explorer 2. Once this is done cutting, you are going to unload the vinyl, and now it's time to peel. Now I don't like wasting my vinyl, so I am going to cut it first. To do that, I am going to use this Cricut toolkit, which is very convenient and has all the essentials you need. This kit includes scissors with protective blades, the high quality trimmer for materials up to 12 inches wide, tweezers, weeder, spatula, scoring stylus to add full lines to cards and envelopes, and scoring blades allow you to add scored lines to your project. I'm going to use the trimmer to cut some of the vinyl because I do not like wasting vinyl, so I am going to cut it around the Cricut image. Now this Cricut image can be used two different ways. This part right here can be used as a stencil, and the other can be used like as in decal. So using the transfer tape, I'm going to just transfer the word Cricut to the other side of this piece of wood. And that is it. Look how easy it was to transfer this to the piece of wood. Now that you see how easy it is to set up the machine, we are going to do our quick and easy DIY project. Now from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of these little decor houses. We are going to use the machine to cut out like a little sign that says home sweet home, and then we are going to transfer it here. So let's get started. Going back to Cricut Design Space, I'm going to click New Project, and then once I am in there, I'm going to click Images, search for the words Home Sweet Home, and then look through all the images that Cricut has. Honestly, it has so many different ones that you can choose from. You can always customize some of them. Now I just scroll down until I see the one I liked. Once I had seen the one I liked, I added it to the canvas. I then sized it to the size I wanted it to be. Now that my image is ready, I'm going to go back to my machine and add the vinyl. This one right here is the one that came in the sample bag. I'm going to then go back to Cricut Design Space and click Make It. Since this is a smart vinyl, I am going to click Without Matte. The next step to do is choose the vinyl you're using. I'm using the smart removable vinyl. You're going to go back to your machine, press go, and then it's going to start cutting. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to weed it out, but first I'm going to cut it. Using this tool, I'm going to remove the other little parts. Now it's time to transfer this using the transfer tape. Now I wasn't sure where to add this, either like in the center or on the side, but I decided to go with the center. I did put it more lower so I can add some jute twine at the top of the little house to decorate this a little more. Using the same jute twine, I'm going to make a bow, and that is it for this beautiful house. Look how easy and quick this was. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.